Hey guys, so as we can see, AI is a super powerful tool that you can use to create all sorts of different content, from press releases to blog posts, emails, to doing research, to you name it. But I'm going to show you some free tools that you can use to create an entire presentation on any subject from scratch using just a short prompt that you can either create yourself or even use something like ChatGPT to help you write. So if you are working on a school project or something for work or something for personal reasons and you need a presentation with content and formatting and something to look professional, we can do that using AI in just a matter of minutes. So let's take a look at how that works. Okay, so the tool that we're going to use for this project is called SlidesAI. You can go to slidesai.io to find it. And what it is a extension for Google Workspace, Google Slides. And you can use it to write text and actually create a full presentation. So if you are new to this, you can go to slides.ai and click install. And I already have it installed in my platform, but you would click install here, and then it will be available in your Google Slides. So when you want to access it, you go to create a new presentation, and then you go to extensions, and then we go down here, slidesai.io, and what we want to do is say generate slides, and it will give us this window where we can enter what we want to write. So now that this comes up, what we want to do is we want to write a prompt of at least 350 characters to tell it what to make a presentation on. 350 characters is a couple of sentences, but if we don't even want to come up with 350 characters, we could go over to ChatGPT. Okay, so we're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to have them create a prompt for us. So I want to write a presentation on the history of the internet. So let's say, write an overview of a presentation on the history of the internet in at least 350 characters. So great, we have an overview, and we are going to copy this and come back. And now we're going to write in here what we want. Create a presentation of at least 6 slides about the history of the internet. The presentation should cover the following. And we'll paste in what we just got from ChatGPT. Now it's 497 total characters, and we'll say create slides. And we'll give it just a minute to create these slides for us. Okay, so your slides have been created. However, it can take up to 30 seconds to load. You can find your input text in the speaker notes of the first slide. Feel free to close this module. Fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. And we're going to come over here to our slideshow. The first one is blank. But now we immediately see we have a little bit of a template. And now we have an intro slide. The history of the internet, presentation take a captivating journey, blah, blah, blah. We have an introduction section about 2 different sections. The birth of the internet, talk about ARPANET. We have key milestones in the internet, technological advances, impact on society, and a conclusion. So this is pretty short, and obviously we didn't give it that much of a prompt. We have a lot that we could add in here, but in just a couple of minutes, we went from a blank slide and idea to actually a good looking presentation. You could certainly add a lot more color to this. You could add a lot more on your own. You could put more into that prompt, but this was all created with an AI tool that we use quickly and for free. So next time you're looking to make a presentation using AI, check out slidesai.io. If you like this video, check the link in the description for my full course on AI learning artificial intelligence, AI, and the rise of ChatGPT. We go into a little bit more of the history of artificial intelligence, some of the tools that you are familiar with today in the news or that you've already played around with, and some of the technology that actually powers it and how it works, how to best use it, things to look out for, things like that. The entire course is just under an hour, so you can get through it in a quick lunch break if you wanted to, but really, really great way to immerse yourself into the world of AI. So check the link in the description for a coupon code and a discount to that course.